Animals use echolocation also. They use it to find food. They use it to find, they could use it to find caves, places they can hide or places they can sleep and call their home, habitat, inhabit. So, how does that work? Well, in the case of whales, they produce a sound. Most people think of it as them singing. And I know as a kid, I just thought they were like just really happy animals, and maybe they are to some extent. But what they're doing is they're singing to send out sound waves. Now, if that sound wave comes in contact with, let's say, a fish, and this image is a tiny green fish, whatever part of this sound wave hits the fish will do three things. The wave will Some of the wave will transmit. That's why you see like these blue waves. And I know blue is like they just make it blue, but I'll say blue waves. These blue sound waves. Some of it passes through the fish. That's transmit. It goes through. Some of it will get absorbed into the fish. But really, what we want to talk about is the reflection portion. Some of it, some of that sound wave will reflect off of the fish. And that's related to size. Like the smaller the organism is, the less of the wave that will be reflected back. So if the whale hears a or receives back a huge reflection, a large amount of that sound wave gets reflected back, chances are whatever animal or thing that sound wave hit is probably pretty large, just because the surface area is large. Whereas if it's a small fish or small thing, because the contact area is smaller, it'll reflect back a smaller amount of the wave. So it's really just listening for echoes and how loud that echo is. The echo's super loud. That means that the fish or the thing that it bounced off of was really big. If the echo is really small, that means the fish or the thing is really small.